Tanya's bound to fall.
I'm about to have a coughing attack.
She's bound to fall. Come on, you can do it. Fall. Don't fall. You're not gonna fall.
Ready? I said don't film me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
With Fowler Family Farm. We are up against the barn because it's about 30-mile-an-hour winds, about 50-mile-an-hour gusts it seems like. It's very windy today, so
yes, it is.
We're up against the barn to kind of cut down on the wind for now while we're doing this intro. But we're about to go move the goats. All of our does with Megatron, we're about to move them over in the big pasture, and then we're going to put Megatron and Chip over here in the buck pasture, or just the buck pen, really, is all that's called. The buck pen. It's going to be very windy, so you'll probably have a lot of music going to this. I might, if we end up talking to the camera, I might try to splice in the words, but it's probably going to be hard to hear because of how much wind there is out here.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, it's crazy, but I think you guys will like the video anyway. And if you watched our last video, at the very end of the video, I was talking about how my neighbor's cow had jumped over the fence or had gotten on our property. Well, I ended up having to go get that cow pushed over. Me and my brother helped out as well. I did bring the camera along on that, so I do have some of that video that I'll put in right here. There's that cow. Get it, Jenny, get him. Go get that cow. Y'all can't see it running. Yeah, you go get him, Jenny. Come here. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Jenny. You stay, you go get that cow. Yeah, the cow on the far left is on our side, and the others are on my neighbor's side. And I don't know how he got over there. Because that fence is not down at all. There's nothing wrong with that fence. That's my goat fence. I'll have to go check it out. I saw it in that corner first, so I'm gonna go check that corner, start there. Okay, I don't know how much of that y'all got to see, but we had the gate open, wide open. She went by it 3 or 4 different times and then just decided to jump the fence right next to the gate. Cows are not very smart. But this is obviously where she jumped the first time. You can see her hair right here. I mean, she damaged the fence pretty good. I'm gonna have to tie this one completely back on. None of the tie downs are even, I don't even know where they're at. Of course, my cows were very curious about what was going on with that other cow. So when the cow was running up against the fence, these two were running up against this barbed wire fence, going in the same direction, just kind of following the cow. They were curious. What'd you think, Gwen? Pretty funny? All right, so let's go move the does over. So what we're gonna do is bring all 4 of these goats. There's 3 does and then Megatron. We're gonna bring them all into this pasture. And once I pour some of the feed out into their trough, I'll grab Megatron and Chip and bring them back out here, and then they'll follow me over to the goat pen.
got out.
Okay. Show him, little guy.
Look at her. Oh, Bella. Bella's like, look here.
My puppy.
Mind your business. Y'all don't have to fight over the puppy. Bella, it's okay.
Okay, so a little bit of this is going to be going on, if you guys can hear me in the wind. These two like to show each other who's dominant. Uh-oh. That's probably not good.
Get out. Come on, Tracy. Come on, Jenny.
So they haven't been together in 4 months. So they gotta figure out who's dominant.
Stay.
Jenny, you take care of that, Jenny.
She getting them?
Yeah.
She wants to play.
See, it's going on everywhere. They're all doing it.
Oh. Jenny, come here.
I gotta find out who's dominant.
Them two know who's dominant.
Cinnamon here was the dominant one in the other pen, but she won't be dominant over here.
I guess Jenny has to be in on that too, honey.
All right, we're gonna grab Megatron and Chip. Chip's not worried. He just wants to eat. Megatron's taking on some of the goats over here. He wants to eat. So I think Cinnamon might have won. Bottle Cup's backing off.
Bella?
All right, I got Chip out. Jenny. Now I just need to grab Megatron.
Chip's not very happy right now, so be careful. Uh-oh. You had him distracted.
So Megatron was staring at me, so Tanya snuck up behind him and grabbed him with the leg. Grabbed him by the leg.
Got him with a double leg
No,
takedown.
that was a single leg.
Single leg takedown.
She's a wrestling mom, if you can't tell. But we checked his eyes, and he looks good. He's healthy as he can be.
Yeah, he is.
So I do have Chip and Megatron here in the buck pen now. They will be headbutting each other here, probably for the next week or so. Probably for the next 2 or 3 days. But I'm sure Chip will win for a little bit. What?
He's gonna get out under there.
In that bottom row, you think?
Because that's where he gets out over there. That bottom row. He goes.
So Tanya's got the tractor. She's gonna grab a bale of hay and we're gonna put it over by the bucks, the buck pen, so we can just hand feed them every day out of that bale of hay.
There you are, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm the hay chauffeur.
Hey, chauffeur. That's a good name. Hey, that needs to be a shirt.
Rushing you because we have to do the hot water on the sink tonight.
What?
I said we got to do the hot water for the sink tonight.
Yeah.
Look at him. He's putting all this stuff up.
Maybe.
Good job. Ain't he cute?
Okay guys, that's gonna wrap up another video. We'll have to go inside and take a shower. I'm somewhat allergic to hay, so when I filled that wheelbarrow up with hay and moved it over here, it really got my eyes. My eyes are kind of swelling right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the like button and leave us a comment. We appreciate it, guys.
Bye, guys.
All right, we'll see y'all on the next video. Remember, do the good.